What's up, guys? Doug here, Pride Conditioning. So, your Monday motivation, as always, giving it to you on Monday every single week. So, make sure you tune in every week, catch our videos. Here in the gym, all right, we were talking about this week about dedication. So, we talk about this, I talk about this constantly. I probably have 24 videos on dedication, being dedicated. So, really, there's a lot of detailed stuff that goes into your success in your sport, success in competing, success in lifting, success in endurance, success in the gym in general, all right? And of course, everything that goes into the gym, we can transfer over to other lessons in life. But weight loss, getting stronger, getting faster, competing for a sport, it's in the details. It's not just enough that you are dedicated and you are getting your workouts in every single day, 6-7 days a week. Also, you need to be dedicated to the details. Prepping your food on Saturdays or Sundays for the upcoming week and making sure that those meals have the proper macros for your type of performance, whether you're competing for sport or weight loss or just physique to look good or powerlifting, you just want to get stronger, right? You need to make sure that your macros are correct. Then every day, did you get your vitamins? Yes, you got to take your vitamins, all right? I don't care if you do fucking chewables. It doesn't matter, all right? Just get your vitamins. It is super important. Some people will argue that if your diet is proper, that you will get all of your stuff. We're all deficient on something here and there, all right? So make sure, get your vitamins, all right? Make sure you get enough water. This seems very simple, all right? But even I struggle with this, especially during the winter. It's cold. I don't want to drink cold shit. So I have 2 cups of coffee, 2 big mugs of coffee in the morning. And I try to get them down before 10, 11 a.m. and then start drinking water. A lot of times, neglect, I'm an idiot, and those 2 cups of coffee will go till 12, 1 o'clock. So now the only thing that I've had for water is those 2 cups of coffee, and I've been awake for 6 hours. So this is a huge mistake, and I bet a lot of other people are making it too. So you guys need to be careful, make sure you're getting enough water, all right? Make sure that your week is programmed out for your workouts, all right? It's the same as your meals, all right? If you are not programmed, if you are not prepared, you could possibly fail. You could defeat yourself, sabotage yourself. So same thing goes for your workouts. If you don't have a coach who is programming you and setting up your workouts for you, then you need to make sure that you are on some type of plan, right? Whether it's, Wendler's 5-3-1, whether it's a West Side plan, a Juggernaut plan, whether you're doing, Body Boot Camp, Fit Body Boot Camp, or Insanity, or P90X, or whatever these programs are, just make sure that there's some sort of guideline for your workout. It's not just, I go to the gym 6 days a week. Well, what do you do? What's the goal? What is the plan? You just go to the gym and decide once you get there what you're going to do. This is a recipe for failure, all right? This is also a recipe for injury. So make sure that your workouts are planned just like your meals are planned out. The next thing is, speaking of the gym, another detail to pay attention to is mobility, all right? Making sure that you're stretching. Listen, even if you take 5 minutes to stretch, all right? We should all take almost as much time stretching as we do working out. But if you work out for an hour and a half, who has an hour and a half time to stretch? That's a 3-hour workout. So even if you take 5 minutes, 10 minutes to stretch, it's something that almost every one of us that is in the gym 6-7 days a week, we all need to work on. We all need to stretch more. So this is another detail that you guys need to pay attention to. All right. And there's a lot of other details that we could get into, making sure your gym bag is packed the day before, making sure you've got your, soap and towel and toiletries and all that shit so that you can get ready afterwards. If you forget that stuff, if you don't pack it, if you're not prepared, then you're going to get to the gym, realize you didn't pack any of that stuff, you're going to skip your workout because you can't take a shower afterwards, right? And now you've missed a day of working out. So there's a lot of really small, detailed things that we need to stay concerned about and make sure that we have nailed down week after week after week. All right. Once you get into a routine of making sure, right, your clothes are laid out the night before, that you go to bed by a certain time so that you get a certain amount of sleep the night before, make sure you get your vitamins, your water, your meals are prepped. Now we are truly set up for success. Now we worry about making sure that our workouts are programmed, that we have a schedule, that we have some sort of program to go off of for our workouts. And when you get done working out, making sure that we stretch at least, give me 5-10 minutes at least, people. So all of these details, these are all things that everybody needs to worry about. And it's those little details that make a huge bit of difference in your success in achieving your goals. So pay attention to the details, all right? Much success, much love, peace and love. Rock on, guys.